Hello and welcome in this e-learning session for DNB's Global Reference Solution. Let me first introduce myself. My name is Bob Jennis and I'm Market and Product Development Manager at DNB. I will guide you through this session, and at the end of it you should be able to work with this powerful internet application without any problem. This video consists out of 4 separate sessions. Each of these sessions will help you to understand better a specific part of GRS and will learn you how to get the most out of it. At the end of each part, you will be asked a couple of multiple choice questions to check if everything was clear. These questions will have to be answered correctly before you can continue. Before starting to work with GRS, you need to identify yourself and log in. Please go to www.dnb.com/GRS. You will be asked to enter your user ID and password. Having done that, the basic screen of GRS will pop up. Now you can start working with GRS. The various methods of searching have been grouped under 4 search areas. The information can be searched using one or more criteria from any number of the 4 following categories: search for a specific business, search by corporate structure, search by size of business, and search by a single industry or a range of industries. To search within a category, click on the relevant blue bar. Once the search criteria have been entered, the search can be performed by clicking Go or by pressing Enter. The results counts by each field will show how records match each criteria on its own and include branch records, out of businesses, and non-marketable records in the count. The result count in the top bar shows the number of records which match all of the criteria in the search and will only include branches, out of business records and non-marketable records if these boxes have been ticked. To view the results of your search, click the View Results tab at the top of the screen. The Results tab will not be enabled until you have run a search. Multiple categories may be revealed at any one time, but for economy of screen space, activated fields may be hidden by clicking on the blue bar. An area which holds selected search criteria will appear in gray rather than blue. Within each section are 2 buttons that can be used to clear criteria you have entered. The Clear All button can be used to clear the search criteria. The Clear Section button can be used to clear only the search criteria in that section. To save a search, click on the Save Search button at the top right-hand side of your screen. Enter a name for your search selection criteria and click Save. To load a search, click on the Load Search button. Select the search you wish to load and click on it. Let's have a closer look now to the specific search areas. The Search for a Specific Business tab allows you to search for records by a number of criteria, including name, DUNS number, national ID number, location, year started, and executive name. You can simply type the name of the business you are interested in directly into the space provided alongside the Business Name button. When searching using more than one field, the results will match all criteria requested. So searching for Dun & Bradstreet will find all businesses called Dun & Bradstreet, regardless of location. Searching for Dun & Bradstreet and Belgium, you will find all the businesses that are called Dun & Bradstreet and are based in Belgium. Searching for a business with initials should be done as follows: I and B and M for IBM. GRS automatically puts a wildcard at the end of each word typed, so searching for Procter will find the Procter & Gamble company. For more information on how GRS performs searches and tips on how to get the result you need, please check the user guide, which you can find at the top right-hand side of the screen. The Search by Corporate Structure tab allows you to make use of corporate linkage structures in your search. In this search area, you can target specific groups by defining the location of the parents and/or subsidiaries and/or branches. By selecting one or more of the countries listed for each field, you can include or exclude any country. Multiple selections can be made by either typing in a list connected with commas or the word or by selecting from the browse fields, activated by clicking on the underlined words. For the exact definition of all the terms used in this search area, we would like to direct you to the user guide, which you can find on the top right-hand side of your screen. Activity searches are based on the US 1987 Standard Industrial Classification, or the SIC code. Either enter the SIC codes you wish to search on, or click on SIC codes to make your selection from the displayed codes. To enter a number of SIC codes, enter the codes separately by a comma and a space. To enter a range of SIC codes, use two full stops. You can choose to include specific lines of business from the search by clicking on particular codes or range of codes. The selected items will appear in the work area at the bottom of the screen. Click OK to return to your search. The selected SIC codes will now appear in your search screen. To search for appropriate SIC codes, enter a relevant word or words in the selected description box and click on Search. Matching SIC codes will be displayed in a new page with SIC codes hyperlinked. Search for businesses by employee or sales turnover size by typing your own selection in the box. Do not use commas. The greater than, less than, equals to, or the in-between symbols can be used. You should be able now to perform any search you want. But before continuing with the next session, please answer following questions correctly.